Let's do this, man. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get the white onion, red onion, and cut it up into the water like this. All right, I'll cut it up in a one different way tonight. Hope you guys can hear me clear and nice. All right, this is the red onion. All right, yeah, one medium-sized red onion. That's what we're going to be using this evening. Good vibes. We're gonna get a piece of a ginger. Yeah. It's boiling water I'm using, guys. So please make sure don't get panic. It is boiling water. You guys can see exactly what's going on. Yeah, good vibes. Now, let's grate a piece of a ginger. Look at that. That's the ginger right there. Okay, beautiful ginger. Some lemon. I'm gonna put some lemon inside of it. All right. Yeah. This is good for the cold in the gut. Here it is, a couple slices of lemon into the water. All right, yeah, good vibes. Look at that, people. So we get in there. We don't have a whole lot of people watching, but yeah, because we have a while ago, we have about 100 people, and they just disappear. What are you making? I'm making a good cup of tea for cold and flu. This is white, red onion. You can use white onion with some ginger and lemon. Yeah. Here it is. This is excellent. Look at that, beautiful and nice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn off the heat off of it. All right. Yeah. So we're gonna get rid of the heat. Just turn off the heat a little bit, guys. Yeah. So just to let you guys know exactly what I'm making. I'm making a cup of tea for cold and flu. All right. So we got the red onion, we got lemon slices, and we have fresh grated ginger inside of it. preview the video on my YouTube channel and watch the full episode, and you can understand what's going on, okay? Because I didn't put the one of the recipes in one time. I put them bits by bits, okay? You don't have to boil it like you're making soup. Just simple, put all of the ingredients into the hot water, and yeah man, and this you're gonna get. So if you are suffering from a cold or a flu, this is one of the best things to get rid of it right now. I'm telling you, a good vibes people. So big up on yourself. With 1 cup of water, put some organic honey inside of it. All right. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Simmering down really good and nice. All right. Full video will be on my YouTube channel if you want to watch the full episode. Right here. I'm not gonna delete the video. Look at that. Alright guys. Yeah man. See? Yeah man. A good vibes. Beautiful cup of tea. Look at that. Can't go wrong. So I just come in the kitchen and I said to myself, let's make this beautiful cup of tea before I go to bed tonight. Alright? Yeah. Smell amazing. Let's take this off for the heat. Alright? Yeah man, we're gonna take it off for the heat. So we take this off for the heat. Hope you guys can see what's going on. If you guys can see, let me know. Good vibes, people. Yeah, man. Don't know the thing, no? Try our best to give you good recipes and good ideas. Alright? Yes. Yeah man. If you have a cold or a flu, yeah man, make sure your guys are, you know what I mean, drinking it, because this thing is powerful and effective. Alright? So these are things which your doctor now gonna tell you to go home and make. Okay? Yeah man. Your doctor now gonna tell you to go home and make this. We as a little local person who on YouTube trying to make sure you guys are looking after yourself at home, as part of the condition what we are in at the moment in 2025. The condition of the world is not stabilized with health and everything what happen. Cold, flu, hay fever, all different kind of things out there right now at the moment. You still have to knock up yourself with some natural home remedy and make it works. A good vibes. Let's do this together. Got my honey. Here's my honey. Here it is. We got some good honey. Open up the camera a little bit more, as you guys can see. Here's him. What's going on, Mr. President? DJH. Shout out to you, man. Long time. And big up yourself. I make here lime and parsley tea today. It was bitter, but let me tell you something. That's the best thing to drink. Don't put no sugar or no honey inside of that. You have to drink more. Big up yourself. Don't put no sugar or no honey. Yes, parsley is tasting like that, a little bit bitter, because that's good for your kidney and also help you with your blood, because you might have to eat rice and all them things there. So that is proper good for your health. Take off this. Okay, don't put any honey sugar in it. You want to drink it naturally as it is. Parsley have a little bit of a bitterness to it, but it's good. Here it is. This is what I'm going to be using. Beautiful honey. You guys must know that this kind of honey is one of the best to use at home. Here it is. Yeah, man, one of the best honey. All right, good vibes. We're gonna pour off this and an amazing cup of tea this evening. Here it is. Let me see what I want. I think probably alright, let me see what I want on right. That's all things say. Just make it cool a little bit. It ain't bad. Never too bad. Because I thought it would be bad, but it's good. It's good. Yeah. Internet is not too bad. Alright. People, let's pour it off. Alright. Before we pour it off, let's quickly talk about the book. From Poverty to Purpose. It's available for every one of you. Get on yourself a copy of the book and support the progress. A good vibes. All right, let's pour off this, guys. Drink this 2 times a day. One in the morning. The rest of this, you can leave it for tomorrow morning. All right, drink this tomorrow morning on an empty stomach, guys. Here it is. Yeah. Drink this tomorrow morning on an empty stomach. Then what you want to do, this half of a lemon, you want to squeeze this inside of it. Yeah. If any problem, just put all this night like that. Good vibes. Now, yeah. You're a doctor now and tell you to do this at home. Look at this. You know what I mean? With a nice teaspoon of this honey right here. All right, and then just put that inside of it and mix it around. See that? Yeah, man. This honey is very expensive. Roughly about £12 for this bottle of honey. But let me tell you something. Some people buy a car that costs 20 million, 2 million, 1 million. I would never buy a good honey. Trust me. I try this now. Beverage really good and tastes nice. That's what I'm talking about. So you want to drink this 2 times a day. 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening. Okay? And you will love this.